What is that? Who is in the box? What is that? What's up, you guys? Back with me, RUSMIX Live, and today we gonna create a original character. First of all, we're gonna draw the head. It's gonna be very easy. God damn it! I just gotta make sure. This is a very strong lead. Okay, we can continue again. We're gonna draw just a circle. You know, very easy. Gently draw a circle. First, start with the hold on. Let me just adjust my pencil. So first, you gotta start with it's okay, you know. This kind of accidents.
Yo, somebody put some happen, relaxing music.
First,
somebody please.
First of all,
some relaxing music.
We're gonna start with just continue this circle. Okay. First of all, we're gonna start with circle. Just be gentle. Okay. Don't put too much spread. God, okay, that thing happened. Well, probably now it's a good time to change your tools. Normal pencil, that would be wonderful, and you can just sharpen it up. First, we're just gonna draw a nice circle, just like that. You can see, I'm just doing it very gentle. All we need is patience, Zen. Alright, just move circle, just easy and spread. Sorry about that. Hold on, just give me a second. Okay, we can use this. Yes, walking circle. Okay. Where the fuck is my eraser? This my you can use two pencils just in case the one breaks. You got another option. You know what I'm saying? Right. This is genius. So we're gonna draw just a circle like that. Now with two pencils, man, even God can't stop me. You just gotta make real spread. Thank you so much, guys, for watching that. Also, I have an Instagram account where I post most of my artwork there, and if you want to support my art, please add my Instagram at RUSMIX Alive. Thank you so much. RUSMIX Alive, signing out.